Easy way to check for valve leak. I suspect I have it. My motor needs an extreme amount of gas to stay running. I cleaned the carburetor, all that, rebuilt it. Same thing, gotta hold the gas. I don't think these valves are leaking very bad, maybe just slightly. It's a 6-year-old Honda clone. It's not a Predator 212. It came off a 6-year-old Baja Heat mini bike. Pour you a little water in your head once you get it off. Leave it sit there about 20 minutes or so. See if that water level has come down any. Check on the opposite side of your valves. See if it's wet. You can sometimes take your thumb and spin the valve. If you can spin it with your thumb, you know you're leaking. These ones I can't, so that's a good sign, but it's still, could be a valve leak. Not sure yet, still investigating. I'm gonna take these off, clean them real good, reseat them with some valve grinding compound, see what happens. I can hear the compression losing just slightly when I pull the cord. I can hear a hiss. So it could have been the head gasket, could even be the rings. But this will tell you if your valves are leaking.